Welcome back to the hangar. I wanted to do a follow-up on the Great Plains Spectra. The very beginning of this video was the damage to the wing, and so I wanted to show what the wing looks like repaired. That damage was out here on this end. This is actually the damaged and broken off section. It's a little more detectable from this back side here. If you take a look, let me get some glare on it. Right, you can see where the broken back wing edge had to be fairly glued back together in pieces. I also went on the instant gratification method for making a canopy. So I just carved one and reassembled it out of some sheet foam that I had. So canopy pops off here, and if we look inside, I kept the original motor and I put in a new ESC that's suitable for a LiPo. I have a LiPo stored there in the compartment, balances perfectly, and I think this should be a beautiful flying airplane as I get it back in the air. I'm looking at a maiden flight for it as soon as weather permits. The only real modification that I made, other than those subtle electronic changes, replacing the ESC for a LiPo ESC, I put a scoop on the side of it there. There was a large hole where there used to be a power switch that I didn't need anymore. I generally tend to put some kind of air scoop on random holes left in a plane that I have converted to electric to try to get a little additional airflow. But that is just the quick look at the finished product for what the Spectra project turned out to be. This was a model that came to me originally from a fellow who came out to our local airport and was getting out of the hobby, had a truck full of goodies, and this was an airplane that had not flown in, he said, 30 years. And I'm very pleased to be able to bring it back to life. And if I get an opportunity, we'll put some video of it in the air a little later. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe if you like.